today's YouTube Live, we're going to talk about how to reach trading and investing success. And the reason I want to cover this topic is because I'm getting very frustrated with the type of advertising that's going on out there in the investing, particularly in the trading arena. People really seem to make it reachable that you can become a millionaire almost overnight when it comes to trading and investing. So I'm going to give you 3 truths that I firmly believe is what it takes to make money. Because when I first got started, when I stopped working on Wall Street and I tried to trade on my own, I lost $300,000. Okay, that's $300,000, and that's a story for another day, for another video. So I'll share that with you guys in the near future. But for right now, I came up with 3 words here: commitment, practice, and time. I call it CPT, or our acronyms here today. And what it really takes when it comes to trading and investing is work. Okay, so let me ask you this: if you had never hit a golf ball before, and I handed you a golf club and a ball, I guess, and I would tell you that Tiger Woods is waiting in the first tee, and that you are to go and play golf with and against him. Okay. Now, obviously, you would laugh and you'd think it's never possible that you'd beat him. But for some reason, when it comes to trading and investing, people think open a broker account, look at a chart, make money all within 1 hour. That's never going to happen. Okay. And again, it's just logical thinking. So I'd rather be honest with you and clear up a lot of the basically lies out there in this industry that are getting a lot of people into this. That just simply aren't true, and it's hurting a lot of people. So let's talk about number 1, which is commitment. When you start anything in life, if you want to get good at cooking, at golfing, at anything in life, it takes a lot of work. Don't let anyone tell you that there are shortcuts. Yes, you can make things a little bit more streamlined sometimes, but for the most part, it's a matter of really working. So commitment is right here. Commitment is number 1. You have to commit. What does that mean? Read books. Make it a habit every day to spend some time with this. Take some courses. Watch the markets. Really commit. Okay? Commitment is what most people don't do. 80%, I think it's 80%, maybe even a bit more, 80%, let's call it, of gym memberships are not being used. Okay? In other words, 80% of people at some point said to themselves, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to get in shape, or whatever the reason was for the gym membership. Usually those are the reasons, but they're not actually doing it. They're not committing, which is why they remain out of shape and whatever, right? So commitment holds true as much as it does in anything in life, and certainly also in trading and investing. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. Number 2 is practice. Okay, so once you actually committed, you have to practice. So in this business, it means actually follow the market, put on some trades, put on some paper trades. You know, a lot of people, I would say probably 95% of people that I've ever spoken with about paper trading never did it, which is probably also one of the main reasons why they started losing money right away. Paper trading, meaning having like one of those fake accounts, or at least just like, oops, almost knocked over the espresso. At least take notes when you do a fake trade. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna presume to buy McDonald's today, and I think it's gonna go up, and then just kind of track that. Now, obviously, when you then go and put on real trades, it is still a different dynamic because, right, between your ears. But still, do that. Practice, practice, practice. How many thousands and thousands of buckets of balls do you think it requires to become a professional golfer? It's the same thing when it comes to trading. And number 3 is time. T, so CPT. It's going to take time, okay? Don't let anyone tell you you're going to become a professional trader or a profitable trader in a matter of days or weeks. It is going to take time. The question is, how long is it going to take you? I would say to get anywhere near where you have any chance at all to be profitable, it's going to take at least a quarter, maybe 2 quarters, and it can take plenty longer depending on how much you commit to get to that point. So it's going to take at least 1, maybe 2 quarters at least. That's 3 to 6 months at the very least. It's going to take time. If it was easy, everyone would do this. But the good news is that it's very, very possible. I know it because I did it, and I've taught a lot of people since how to also become successful. So I hope those are helpful, folks. Give us a thumbs up, follow the channel if this is helpful, and we'll see you in the next YouTube Live.